Composition featuring a ceramic wine jar and fruits is a classic still life subject in gouache painting. When painting this combination, it's essential to highlight the contrast between the glossy, reflective surface of the ceramic jar and the soft, organic textures of the fruits. Here are some key techniques: composition and sketching. Choose a balanced composition where the wine jar serves as the focal point, while the fruits add visual interest and variety. Lightly sketch the outlines of the jar, paying attention to its proportions, curves, and the perspective of the jar opening. For the fruits, capture their individual shapes accurately, such as the roundness of an apple or the clustered form of grapes. Painting the ceramic wine jar. Base layer application. Use darker colors like deep brown, dark blue, or moss green as the foundation to create a rich and solid appearance. Light and shadow effects. Ceramic surfaces often have strong highlights. Leave areas of white or light color to represent create smooth transitions from light to shadow to enhance the glossy effect. Detailing. If the jar has decorative patterns or labels, first, establish the base color. Then use a fine brush to carefully outline and refine these details to add authenticity. Painting the fruits. Color selection. Fruits are more vibrant compared to the jar. So use a mix of warm tones: red, orange, yellow, and cool tones: purple, green, blue to create contrast and visual appeal. Volume and form. Use shading and highlights to create depth. The poles should have soft highlights. While grapes can be painted with a semi-transparent effect to capture their natural translucency. Texture, representation. The smooth, curved shape of a banana can be emphasized with flowing brushstrokes. While the rough texture of an orange can be achieved with stippling techniques. Background and final adjustments. The background should contrast with the main subjects. Soft gray-blue, light brown, or muted purple can make the jar and fruits stand out. Add subtle shadows beneath the objects to ground them and enhance the sense of space. Ensure the overall color harmony by balancing warm and cool tones, adjusting as necessary to create a cohesive composition.